Hello friends, welcome to Mira's Little World. Today's recipe is Mughlai Mutton. So let's get started. For this, we will require 750 grams of mutton. To that we'll add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. You can add salt according to your taste also. Then we'll mix it all together really well. If you're first time in our channel, please do subscribe. Once it's all mixed really well, we'll keep it to marinate for about 30 minutes. Heat the pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once it slightly changes color, we'll add the marinated mutton to it. And we'll mix it all together. To this we'll add crushed ginger and garlic 1 tablespoon each. Then we'll add crushed onion about 4 numbers. Then add slit chilies about 3 numbers. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then we'll mix it all together really well. Add 250 ml of water to it. Then we'll keep it to simmer. We'll cook it for 30 minutes. Stir with 5 minutes of intervals. Once it is done, we'll add the blended almond and cashew nuts, which is 5 numbers each. Then we'll add Kasturi Methi about half a teaspoon, which will give a very nice aroma to the Mughlai mutton. Then we'll garnish it with spring onions. Our Mughlai mutton is now ready. Enjoy it with your favorite rice dish or any kind of chapatis. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of that.